This lovely couple just moved into their brand new West Palm Beach pool home and they wanted to protect their investment from day one. So we installed both an alarm system and a complete CCTV camera system. Now this house had one little challenge. It's really wide. And when you have a home with an unusually wide layout, camera placement matters. You don't want to put up 4 cameras, call it a day, and leave blind spots simply because the math looks good on paper. Our installer walked the entire property and determined that 6 cameras would give this home the coverage it actually needed. That meant adding 2 additional cameras to properly cover the sides and perimeter of the home. And that's the difference between simply installing cameras and actually designing a security system. Inside, the alarm helps protect the home. Outside, the cameras give the homeowners eyes around the property. And because they just moved in, they can enjoy that new home feeling knowing their investment is being watched over. 6 cameras, 1 alarm system, and a security setup designed specifically for this house. That's how we do at Certified Security Systems. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and follow us for more. Stay safe and secure, my friends.